Hey guys, it's Tracy. How's everybody doing? Guys, I'm just doing an impromptu live here with you. If you come on the page, say hello when you come on. I am going to share an inside look of the gift shop that I designed wreaths for. Guys, I have been super duper busy. So many of my community, y'all have been with me for a while. Some are new. Welcome. I am so glad that y'all are here. But I have been working diligently for a while over the past, especially the past week. Guys, I have war wounds on this finger and this finger, because I have been trying to get wreaths ready for the gift shop. They have their annual kickoff for their holiday event, and so tonight is a ladies' night. So from 4:30 to 7:30 here in the store, they have there's like a ladies' night. They have live music, they have different drinks, they have snacks, and it's just a way for people to have bring their girlfriends or friends and that kind of thing. Anyway, so I thought it would be fun to kind of show you around and show you some of the wreaths that I've been working on. Guys, I will not have video tutorials on any of these wreaths. Well, I have a couple, the gnome and a couple others, but I have just been diligently trying to get things ready for this event. Anyway, so let me flip you around and let me show you inside this gift shop. Now, we're located in Brenham, Texas, which is 75 miles from Houston and 90 miles from Austin. We're kind of in Southeast Texas. Anyway, so let me show you around the gift shop because we're all ready for Christmas. All right, so this one right here is one of the wreaths that I did. I do have a video tutorial on that. That is on my YouTube channel. But this is the gift shop that I designed wreaths for that I, they sell my wreaths. And so they requested some wreaths. Here's one that I did. I love it. And then this big mamma jamma. This is made on a square frame. So again, I'm not gonna have video tutorials on these only because I had to work quickly to get these done and get ready for the event. But they have a gift shop. You will hear me say that in a lot of my videos. And so I wanted to let you know, kind of show you some things. Here's one that I did. And this one. Hi everyone. As you're coming on, I'm so glad that you're here watching. There's another one. I'm a crafter first, and then I also make wreaths for this gift shop. Anyway, but they're all set up, guys, ready for Christmas. And tonight is a ladies' night out event that they have every year. I forget, this is like maybe 7 or 8, 8th year. And so I just want to kind of show you some of the things that they have in their gift shop. It's just amazing. If you're traveling from Houston to Austin or in the area, they have wonderful gifts. They will gift wrap it for you. They have unique items as well. They try to have, different things that you may not find in the store. We're a local business. The gift shop sets the prices for their wreaths. Someone was asking about prices on the wreaths. I give them my recommendation, but prices of the wreath, it really depends on the location and the geographical location of where you're at. What you can, sell things for. Etsy is a great place to start to kind of judge what you should put on your wreath. Here are a few others that I've done. Some of these may look familiar because, I do have a tutorial, like I do have a tutorial on this one on my YouTube channel, Country Charm by Tracy. This red and black is very, very popular, very trendy this year. Anyway, so what the wreaths sell for here may not sell in your location. It may, here's another part of the store. It has all of this farmhouse, stuff. They do an amazing job. They just do an amazing job of just, putting everything and displaying everything. So if I'll have this video saved on my page. So if you're watching later, or if you're watching on YouTube, say hello. Tell me that you're watching on the replay. And then they have like a clearance section. And this is also a furniture store. And then they have the gift shop inside of their store. Here's another part of the decor. Everything is just so nicely put together and just arranged so well. Everything is just so nice. They also are one of the Circle E candle distributors, and I was in the store the other day. They were just getting in their shipment, and so these are always a very good seller. Thanks. I love this shop too. It's just so great. And so anyway, I just wanted to kind of share this place because, y'all will hear me say all of the time, that I'm working on a wreath for this gift shop that I designed for. So I wanted to give you an inside look of what the gift shop what it is, because they're all set up for Christmas. They got their kickoff to their holiday season starting tonight. And so anyway, I've been diligently working on getting some wreaths and stuff done. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I have some war wounds that I'm kind of doctoring up and stuff. So anyway, I appreciate you all watching. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great day. We'll talk to you all soon. Bye.